Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable notifications for Telegram on your smartphone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll never miss an important message or update again. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage all system-wide settings, including notifications for individual apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to control how apps send alerts and messages to your device. Once you're in the Notifications menu, look for App Notifications and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, find Telegram in the list. If you're having trouble locating it, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find the app. After selecting Telegram, you'll see a toggle switch labeled something like Allow Notifications or Show Notifications. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. This will enable Telegram to send you alerts whenever there's a new message or update. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Telegram notifications on your phone. From now on, you'll stay updated with all your chats, group messages, and channel updates in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.